Hope you're all ready for your New Year's. Hope you're excited. Hope you got your New Year's plans ready. And we have a brand new gold IPO that we're going to talk about today, Gmtn. Of course, here at Rich TV Live, you get a chance to hear about everything first. And once again, we are bringing you this brand new IPO launching today, brand new IPO, and we're bringing it to you first. Gmtn. Happy New Year's to all of you. Hope you all have your New Year's plans ready. Hope you're all excited for a huge 2021. I know it's been a huge 2020 for a lot of our members. This is a brand new gold IPO that will be literally launching in minutes. Gmtn on the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange, Gold Mountain Mining. It has no trading history because today is the very first day that it will trade. You can see right here, Freedom Capital name change to Gold Mountain Mining. So this is on Stockwatch. Pursuant to a resolution passed by the directors of the company on December 16th, 2020, the company has changed its name to Gold Mountain Mining Corp. There is no consolidation of capital, which means they will keep the same share structure. Effective at the opening on Thursday, December 31st, 2020, which is obviously today, the common shares of Gold Mountain Mining will commence trading on the Toronto Stock Venture TSX Venture Exchange, and the common shares of Freeform Capital Partners Inc. will be delisted. Capitalization, unlimited common shares with no par value, of which 48,972,978 shares are issued and outstanding. Tight float. You know we love tight floats. Hey, good morning, Brent. Hope you're having a great day, brother, and I hope you're ready to have an amazing and powerful 2021. So out of the 48 million shares, which is a very tight float, under 50 million, escrow of 10 million common shares subject to a tier 2 surplus security escrow agreement, 2.75 million common shares subject to a capital pool company CPC escrow agreement, 2.5 million common shares subject to a tier 2 value security escrow agreement. So that's the info on Stockwatch. And what I'm going to do right now is go through their corporate presentation for you. So Gold Mountain, the Elk Gold Project, and you can see them on Twitter under GMTN Mine, Gold MTN Mine, on Facebook under Gold Mountain Mine, under LinkedIn under company / Gold Mountain Mine, and on Snapchat at Gold Mountain Mine. Now, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here in Rich TV Live. Always invest in the best. The best is blessed. Let's take a look at the leadership of this company. CEO is Kevin Smith, CEO and director. Entrepreneur with experience across a host of industries. Mr. Smith has extensive experience in organizing, finance, and construction of commercial and industrial development projects. Mr. Smith is currently the CEO director of Gold Mountain Gmtn and Polarity Minerals. So Kevin Smith is the CEO director, and hopefully we'll have the opportunity to have Kevin Smith join us on our show and we can speak to him directly. It's been a huge year for gold and gold stocks, silver and silver stocks, and mining stocks in general. We've been talking about it all year long, and now obviously everyone is focused on digital gold, Bitcoin. Nonetheless, I'm still very bullish on gold stocks, silver, and silver stocks. And if we can find early stage miners before they explode, then that's how we position ourselves to win big. Hope you're all having a great day. Some of you are here. Hey, Robert Singh, how you doing, brother? Happy New Year, my friend. TSX Trader, Happy New Year, my friend. Good morning, Jinx Nair. Scoops Medium says, you made my 2021 awesome, Rich. Hey, my pleasure, man. Whatever I can do. Scoops Medium says, any more secret picks, Mr. Rich Zooms? You know what? Anytime we got a secret pick, I always try to bring it to the people. And this is a brand new IPO today. So I wanted to make sure I brought it to you guys first. IDIX. Well, you know, I brought you guys IDIX first. You know, I'm a big fan of electric vehicles, and IDIX has been a big winner for our community, especially if you got in early. So let's talk about this project. So they're listing on the TSX Venture under the symbol GMTN. They will be publicly traded this morning in minutes. GMTN owns 100% interest of the Elk Gold Project in the Merritt area of British Columbia, Canada, and I live in British Columbia, Canada. 2 kilometers from All Season Highway and the Elkhart Lodge, commercial card lock gas station, diner, and motel. Elk Gold property is a massive 16,716 hectares, 41,306 acres land package. The Elk Gold Project is a past producing high-grade gold mine. 127,069 meters of historic drilling, extensive geochemical and geophysics programs. Mineral resource PEA, NI 43101 mineral resource. Obviously, that is gold standard for mining stocks. You need a 43101 to be able to get permitted drilling and to be able to consider your zone a proper zone for mining. Measured and indicated 454,000 AU and EQ ounces at 5.33 grams a ton, AU and EQ inferred. 95,000 AU EQ ounces at 6.57 grams a ton, AU EQ. PEA contemplates a 50,000 ounce per year plan by year 4. PEA results in a post-tax NPV 5% of 191 million at US 1,600 long-term gold price. Canadian 6.9 million startup capex, Canadian 26 million expansion capex, and AISC US $735 an ounce. Exploration, abundant opportunities for major discoveries. Elk Gold mineral resource remains open in both directions along strike and down dip, and there are 8 other established gold zones with drill results that indicate additional potential for discovery. Multi-phase, 3 million multi-phase drill program to delineate further mineral resources and add to exploration targets. Current exploration targets from existing drilling data show potential for increased mineral resources. Exploration objective to define additional open pit, amenable, high-grade gold. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to share my screen here with you guys, so you guys can see exactly what I see. And this is what I'm looking at right now. You can see the management team. So big team that they've put together here. Their leadership team and management team. And you can see the title here, Gold Mountain, the Elk Gold Project. AITX is killing it again. Well, congratulations to members killing it on AITX. Do I have a price target? You know what? I want to see how it trades this morning. And then once we get a chance to see how it trades and how it opens, then I would have a good idea of how it's going to do. But most IPOs that we've been watching so far this year have skyrocketed. So I fully anticipate that this will do well right out the gate and probably go up today. So that's why we're bringing it to you right now. And hopefully we're right. And it has a monster day right out of the gate. And I promise you, we'll be watching very, very closely. At the very least, we will be watching from day one because it is about to go live any minute. And you can literally see that we are on Webull right now. You can see GMTN is listed, but still not trading. So once it starts trading, we will let you know first, and they will be trading on the Toronto Stock Exchange Venture Exchange. If anybody knows the level 2 market depth on the price of GMTN, please let us know. I'm not even looking at the level 2 right now, but if you guys know the level 2 market depth on GMTN, please let us know. We'd love to take a look. So this is very important to us. The share structure, capital structure is very vital to us. If you've been watching Rich TV Live, you know that I'm a very big fan of tight share structures. Companies with tight floats are the companies that I love. I love a fully diluted stock with only 55 million shares all day long. 48,972,978 shares issued and outstanding, 3.6 million options, 2.8 million warrants, 55,500,000 fully diluted, tight. And you can see how this company has evolved and how the price of gold has evolved and how the company came to pass. You can see Equinox acquires Elk Gold Project around 2017. Between 2016 and 2017, Bayshore purchases Elk Gold Project from Equinox for $10 million just before 2020, and they now have got, as of 2020, the permit submission, and they are now ready to go public today. You can see the evolution of the company here. You can see in 2019 Q1, Bayshore Minerals purchases from Equinox for $10 million. And then 2020 Q4, which is obviously right now, we're at the end of Q4 2020, Freeform qualifying transaction. Freeform acquires Bayshore to create Gold Mountain Mining Corp. Here we are, and we're about to start trading. Gold Mountain trades. Gold Mountain resumes trading on the TSX Venture under the symbol GMTN, and you will be the first to watch and know and learn about this IPO. Thank you guys for joining. If you guys like this video, please smash the like button, comment down below, and share the video everywhere. We work really hard to bring you new IPOs and bring you new picks and winners first. Every single day, that is our modus operandi, to bring you undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities and new IPOs first before anybody else on the planet. And I believe we do it better than anyone else in the world. If you like the video, please smash the like button, comment down below, and share the video everywhere. GMNT. Sorry, GMTN. GMTN, a brand new IPO that is just about to launch any minute. And because you are watching Rich TV Live on New Year's Eve, and Happy New Year's Eve, everybody, and some of you are now celebrating New Year's at different parts in the world, Happy New Year's to all of you that are now celebrating 2021, and let's make 2021 a lot of fun. It's at 80 cents right now. The Kirk says bid is at 85 and the ask is at 118. Hey, thank you for sharing. That's great. Any copper stocks? Well, if I bring out any copper stocks, I'll definitely let you know. Hey, my pleasure, brother. Whatever I can do to help you, man. The Kirk says, hi, all bids for GMTN is now at 81, ask. Kevin says, Rich, thank you for everything. Can't wait for 2021. Yeah, you know what? I'm pretty excited for 2021. We're, at this point, hours away. So pretty excited about it. Now let's take a look at what Gold Mountain Mining, GMTN, has to look forward to 2021. Because if we want to get in early, we want to think about where this company's going. And let's talk about where they're going in 2021. So they've got some catalysts. Gold Mountain Exploration, 1.5 million phase 1 diamond drill program. That could be a huge catalyst coming right here in Q1 2021 over the next 90 days. Mineral resource PAA update mineral resource model to include 2020 Q4 drill results. That's a catalyst coming in Q2 2021. Another catalyst in Q2 2021, Gold Mountain permit, final decision on permit expected from the government in Q2 2021 and in Q4 2021. So we got a big year ahead, okay, for GMTN, guys. Gold Mountain Mining operations, commission Elk Gold Mining startup. So huge year ahead for GMTN, this brand new IPO, which I'm going to make a prediction right now. We will see go over $1 in 2021. I'm going to just make that prediction right now that we're going to see them go over $1 in 2021 with this tight float and these 4 catalysts in 2021. I don't see any reason why we don't see the stock go over $1. And in 2024 Q3, 50,000 ounce EA and mine permit, final decision on certificate expected by the government. So some catalysts to look forward to GMTN, Gold Mountain Mining. Brand new IPO set to launch in literally minutes. So you can see the path to production. Expansion capital, $26 million. Annual production targets of 50,000 ounces a year, an average of 4 to 10 years. Initial capital cost of 6.9 million Canadian, and payback period of 6 months. So these numbers look really good. And with the prices of gold climbing, like they have been, if they continue to climb, then I'm very bullish on gold and junior gold miners. So you can see some of the properties here. The BC mining industry is a pillar of the economy, valued at 12 billion Canadian, with 17 actively operating mines, 2 smelters, and over 1,000 significant industrial, mineral, and aggregate operations. Among the safest political jurisdictions in the world for mining, right here in Vancouver, British Columbia, where I reside. One of the shortest shipping routes from North America to Asia, minimizing transportation costs for gold, concentrate sales to China and Japan. So you guys can see all the major properties, and you can see the regional overview and the proximity to infrastructure and other properties in the zone and in the region, and other companies in the zone and in the region, and where the Elk Gold property is located. Not all gold ounces are created equally. Many mines are situated in remote areas, requiring extensive infrastructure investments. The Elk Gold Project is within 2 kilometers of all-season Highway 97C, 30 minutes to Merritt's and Kelowna's workforce, 1 hour to milling facilities, and 4 hours away from Vancouver ports. The Thompson-Nicola region has year-round accessibility, which allows for mining and drilling throughout the entire year. So if we look at the regional overview and the geology of the property, the Elk Gold Project is host to a gold-bearing mesothermal quartz sulfide vein deposit, high-grade gold hosted by intrusive and volcanic rocks. Gold mineralization occurs within structurally controlled pyritic quartz veins. The mineralized veins strike east-west and occur along the discontinuity between the Nicola volcanic group and the Osprey Lake batholith. So you can see the region, and you can take a look at the legend and see how the property looks and how everything is situated. So it's very important that you're able to get in and out of the properties. They're able to get, proper roads in and out of the properties and infrastructure so that the company can pull the gold or whatever they're drilling out of the ground. So you can see the regional overview, site plan, and infrastructure. So they are ready to go. We've been looking at gold and mining stocks all year long. And like I said, they've had an amazing run. And right now, everyone is talking about Bitcoin, Bitcoin, Bitcoin. Bitcoin is definitely stealing the show right now. But just because they're stealing the show today doesn't mean that gold isn't going to get super hot again. And when it does, gold stocks are going to skyrocket, like we've seen happen over the last few years, where gold stocks have been absolutely on fire. Now, a lot of people have moved money out of gold because they're putting money into cryptocurrency, but that could change. We saw that happen before, where cryptocurrency exploded in 2017 and then it imploded in 2018 and disappeared for 2 years, and nobody really talked about it. And everyone was just kind of hurt for years. And now here we are, and Bitcoin's the number one asset again, and it's exploded. It's at all-time highs. Well, it wasn't too long ago that gold was at all-time highs, and everyone was talking about gold, and everyone was excited about gold stocks. Well, that day will come again, and when it does, we're going to be ready. And that's what you got to think as an investor. You want to position yourself so that when gold is the hottest asset in the world again, you're ready and you're capitalizing on that momentum. Okay, so we're just waiting for Gmtn to start trading live and interactive. If you guys have an update on the price and how it's doing, please let us know and we'll pull it up. Hey, Jeff, how you doing? Happy New Year's, Jeff. Jeff says, we need pull to get a US stock symbol. I agree. And I believe if they get a US stock symbol, that'll be a catalyst for pull. So I'll definitely be looking for that. And when I do find out the US stock symbol for pull, I will let you know as soon as possible. The Kirk says, you told us about Nexi and it is doing great. Hey, my pleasure, man. I got more. Don't worry. Alyssa says, Rich, you are the best. Thanks for the picks. Hey, my pleasure. Jeff says, last day of the year, and everyone seems to be going for BNGO, really being pumped. Yeah, they're doing quite well. AKI says it's at 96 cents. So it's already up. That's good news. That's good news. So hopefully it starts trading here on Webull. When it does, we'll pull it up. We'll definitely pull it up when it starts trading. Okay, so let's talk about the location. Commuting distance to Merritt and Kelowna, no camp required. 2 kilometers off All-Season Highway and the Elkhart Lodge. Commercial cardlock, gas station, diner, and motel. Access to site from highway via All-Season Gravel Road, 2 kilometers. Ready to expand. Seawash Zone has mineral resource estimate open at strike in depth. 8 other zones, all showing similar grades and structure. 3 million targeted multi-phase drill program. So we are literally getting going right at the start, folks. 16,716 hectare land package, turnkey operation, 2 established pits with gold on surface or stockpile pad, water management infrastructure in place, 127,000 meters of historic drilling, 30 million to replace. Wow. So you can see the intended permitting and expansion milestones. Permitted expansion to 50K ounces per year throughout budget, 2.5 million. Now let's just see if this is on TMX Money. It wasn't on TMX Money this morning. Let's see if they have it now. So they still don't even have GMTN on TMX Money, despite the fact that they are being listed and traded on the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange. We're so early, they're not even listed on their own exchange yet. That's how early we are to the party. I mean, and that's what I love. Look, we are literally breaking the news first before anybody else on the planet. I'm pretty sure we're the only ones on YouTube talking about this pick. And once again, you're hearing about it first live on Rich TV Live. So you can see the intended permitting and expansion milestones. You can see the early engagement and how this has evolved, how this project has really evolved. They've been getting support from local communities, a letter of support from the City of Merritt, positive, productive consultation with First Nation communities prior to the mine permit. So they're getting along very well with the First Nation communities in the zone. Phase 1, 70,000 TPA permit amendment has been accepted through screening, and it is an application review, anticipated completion of Q2 2021. So there's a lot of catalysts coming for us to look forward to. Funded through project cash flow of 2.5 million budget will commence upon completion of phase 1 permit. So milling phase 1 contract, toll milling year 1 to 3. Toll milling simplifies the initial mining permit application and reduces the capital cost required to reach commercial production. Toll mill contract with variable pricing protects from lower gold price while maintaining high upside exposure. Opportunity to supplement toll mills CU-AU feed with Elk Gold high-grade AU mineralized material. AU is the symbol for gold. AG is the symbol for silver. 130 kilograms from Elk Gold. 130 kilometers from Elk Gold Project. Favorable mill characteristics, 15,000 TPD capacity, CU-AU mill. So TPD stands for 15,000 tons per day. Flow sheet ideal for Elk Gold mineralized material, gravity and sulfide flotation, and designed for flexibility. PEA estimated Canadian $45 per ton processed. The August 2020 Metallurgical Test Program. Metallurgical test work simulated the toll miller's operating parameters to establish compatibility. The test work demonstrates the viability of processing a blended mineralized material at the toll mill, confirming the PEA's assumptions. The addition of the Elk Gold mineralized material increased the concentrate gold grade by 80% at the tested 1/9 blend ratio, validating the strong metallurgical recovery compatibility of blended Elk Gold mineralized material at the toll mill. So that's phase 1. Phase 2, on-site milling, year 4 onward. So they've got a capex of 23.5 million, anticipated to be self-funded through free cash flow at current gold prices. So I love the fact that they're going to be so cash rich that they will be self-funded. That's amazing. So as an investor, you got to think into the future. We're getting into potentially an early stage company trading on day 1 today, and it's already up, and they're going to be self-funded in the next few years. Pretty wild. So if you're looking to get into an early stage junior miner that's undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed with a tight float and huge growth potential, we're literally bringing that to you first right now, today. Reduces processing costs relative to toll milling, eliminates toll mill charges and highway haulage costs, provides the ability to sell concentrate directly to smelter, and efficiencies of vertical integration of mining and milling within the same company. You can see the estimated production targets, year 1 all the way to year 10, and based on where they believe the price of gold could potentially be. and August 2020 metallurgical test work program. Results support the PEA assumptions of a 92% recovery. 92% recovery is massive. And 115 grams a ton concentrate grade. The gold recovery to rougher concentrate in all samples tested was greater than 97%. Wow, no wonder they're flying right now. Metallurgical response was not sensitive to primary grind size. There is potential to increase the size of the primary grind and reduce the operating and capital cost of the process plant. No impurities identified that would impact the salability of gold concentrate. So we can take a look now at the gold mineralization at the Elk Gold Project. Now let's just see if there's any news yet on this company. Anything changed? I still don't see them trading yet on Webull, so stay tuned. As I see them start trading live, I'll bring them to you and I'll let you guys know first. In the meantime, we're just going to go through this investor deck and go through some of your questions. It's currently at 96 cents. Very nice. Scoops Medium says 88 cents. I bought some shares. Wolfgang says bid 95, ask 101. Pluto Mine says Tesla to 1,000. Yeah, I don't think there's any doubt that Tesla's going to 1,000 at this point. LJ says, Rich, gold is a long game. Bitcoin is going up faster. Yeah, but Bitcoin is very volatile, and Bitcoin was at 4,000 this year, and Bitcoin now is at all-time highs. So you're really going to buy Bitcoin at all-time highs? I wouldn't do it. Gold is a much safer play. Bitcoin is highly volatile, and even the most bullish investors in Bitcoin are probably not buying Bitcoin at, all-time highs. I wouldn't suggest anyone does that. I don't think that that's the smartest investing strategy, but if you want to go and buy Bitcoin at all-time highs, go right ahead. I think that gold is a very safe, sound investment, and as an investor who's looking for short-term, midterm, and long-term growth, I think gold and gold junior miners have been some of the greatest trade ideas in 2020 and in 2019. And I believe that continues in 2021. And as a investor who invests in the entire market, I think it's extremely important to diversify your portfolio and to be looking at the entire market and not just be chasing momentum when momentum at its peak. And right now with Bitcoin, momentum's at its peak. It's at all-time highs. It's very bullish, but it's also very scary because we saw what happened to gold. When it hit 2,000, it dropped down. Now we see Bitcoin at all-time highs. What's Bitcoin going to do? I love digital gold and I've been a fan of Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's already had a huge spike. So at some point, we may see Bitcoin turn around, and I'm not going to sit here and tell everybody to start buying Bitcoin at all-time highs. That's really the last thing I would do. I'd be telling you guys to buy Bitcoin at all-time lows and selling Bitcoin at all-time highs. That's more of my strategy. But, it's up to you guys to decide what you want to do. Do I have information on Alibaba? Well, I think they're a great company. The Kirk says, I just bought some Gmtn. Why not? Hey, listen, you're getting in early. You're getting in on day one on an early stage junior gold miner. So if you're getting in on day one on an early stage junior gold miner, congratulations. You're probably going to go along for a hell of a ride. Because like I said, gold has been super, super strong for the last few years. And right now, everybody's focused on digital gold, but that also creates buying opportunities in areas where people are not as focused. And this is a brand new IPO. It's the very first day of trading, and it's just getting started. So it's important at the very least that you put them on your watch list, put them on your radar, and we identify the opportunity before they explode. Because if they're going to explode, we want to get in before they explode. And there it is, folks. There it is. Bam. Currently at 90 cents, up 95% on day one. And we brought it to you first. Congratulations to members. As you can see, it's not even showing up on the chart yet. It's literally just starting to show up on the charts. Here it is. Finally. All right. So we got a chart, folks. We got a chart. So you can see right now at 96 cents, up 108% for this brand new IPO. Clearly, people are excited about it because it's up 108%. Already traded 17,000 shares, and it's just started. Literally just started. So congratulations already to members that have got into this. Obviously, brand new IPO, I'm bringing to you first. All of our members within our trading club knew first. We told everybody last night and this morning, and it's already up. So congratulations to members. And this is a great start for a brand new IPO. Right now, Gold Mountain Mining already up on its new IPO day today. And congratulations to early investors and early members. Very exciting to see Gold Mountain Mining trading on its IPO day and already up 108%. Kevin says, got in at 86 cents. Well done, Kevin. Well done. Not shilling, but look at Celsius growth, 17,000%. Wow, that's huge. So let's just go back to the presentation here. So previous drilling confirms that the Elk Gold Project hosts multiple gold mineralized zones with the 16,716 hectare property boundary. The Elk Gold is a mesothermal intrusive related gold vein system. Gold occurs in pyritic quartz veins along with minor base metals. Quartz veins occur in fractures and shears within a granitic intrusion. So you guys can see the high-grade gold prospect. Seawash North Mineral Resource Zone includes pit, concentrated, measured, and constrained, measured, and indicated 454,000 ounces of AuEq gold and inferred 95,000 ounces AuEq, which is gold. This is the NI 43101 mineral resource estimate. NI 43101 is like having a license to sell cannabis. You need that license. The 43101 is when a geologist says, essentially, this property has minerals, resources in the ground. Okay, you need a 43101 to actually have a real solid geologist essentially saying there are resources in the ground. So when you've got a 43101, that is like gold standard for a gold miner. You need that. They have that. Okay. So they have everything they need to be a huge success. And that's why clearly they're doing well right out the gate. There's a lot of interest in the stock. That's why they're doing well. It has nothing to do with me. I'm not the reason why the stock is up 108%. There's obviously a lot of interest in this stock. There's a lot of people interested in this company. They're being talked about on Stock Watch, right? They're on TMX Money. Obviously not yet for some reason. I don't know why. They're listed on TM. Oh, there we go. Finally. Here we go. Trading resumption, Gmtn. Gold Mountain Mining. Here we go. Gmtn, formerly FRM.P. Gold Mountain Mining Corp. Trading resumes. So they just put out a press saying that the trading has resumed on Gmtn with this new symbol. It used to be at 46 cents. So if you were invested in FRM at 46 cents, you now have shares at around $1. So congratulations to those investors that are already up on this trade idea. Because in my opinion, we're literally just getting started. This is a brand new IPO and nobody even knows. Here we are live talking about it and it's up 113% and at 98 cents. The Kirk says, I totally screwed up on TML, wasn't cheap, sold cheap, then boom, off it went. Yeah, that's what happens. My pleasure, Kirk. Anything I can do to help the people, man. So Brand new IPO today, brand new gold IPO, Gold Mountain Mining, GMTN, and it's already up big and literally just getting started. So you can see the Elk Gold total mineral resources. And you can see the historic exploration summary. Extensive exploration has identified 9 gold mineralized zones. Majority of exploration to date has focused on the Siwash North Zone in order to delineate a mineral resource and conduct bulk sample mining. Significant exploration work has been conducted on the property, including, as you can see here, 2 bulk samples, extracting a combined 54K ounces of gold. And you can see some of the other statistics. And you can see some of the photos. You can see the historic exploration and the drilling. And some historic exploration and additional zones. There is the potential for a mineral resource increase. Drilling in exploration targets indicates that the additional zones have similar structure and grades to the Siwash mineral resource. Open along strike and depth, gold mineralization occurs within structurally controlled pyritic quartz veins. So this is the exploration multi-phased drill program. You can see the budget totaling around $3 million and what they're going to be focused on. And ultimately, at the end of the day, with the price of gold growing and climbing, this has the potential to be an absolute game changer and winner for the members of our community. And we love gold. We love digital gold. We love early stage, undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunities. And this is what I would call an early stage, undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed opportunity, because it is a brand new IPO that is going public today for the very first time ever. You can see the exploration upside. Obviously, as investors, we're always looking for upside. We're always trying to look into the future. 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 5 years down the road, and trying to identify early stage opportunities that we could position our money in safely and securely and see a return down the road. As investors, that's all we ask for. And if you're going to put your money in safe, secure areas, you give yourself a chance to win. All right, this is Gold Mountain Mining. We brought it to you first. Congratulations already to investors. Obviously, this is starting off with a bang. And if you're not winning, you're not watching. We bring in the winners and then we bring them to you first. I'd love to know what you think about this brand new IPO. Do you like this? Do you own this? Are you going to buy this? Are you adding them to your watch list? Put it on your radar, put it on your watch list. Let me know and comment down below. If you like this video, smash the like button, share the video everywhere, and let me know your opinion on this brand new IPO, Gold Mountain Mining, GMTN, on the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange. I do not know if it has a US symbol yet. If and when I do find the US symbol, I will let you guys know first. If you would like to join our trading club, you can join our trading club. Just email me, or you can join directly at www.richpicksdaily.com. Love to have you join our club. You can join for free and get free access, or you could become a club member and you can get early access to picks and trade ideas every single day. We got members winning from all over the world. We're growing very quickly, and we would love to work and win with you. Have yourselves a phenomenal 2021. Happy New Year's to everybody. Happy New Year's Eve to everyone who hasn't celebrated New Year's yet. If you're not winning, you're not watching. We've had a glorious 2020. Let's make 2021 the best investing years of our lives. And if you're not winning, you're probably not watching. We bring in the winners, just like today. We did it again, and we bring them to you first. Gmtn, Gold Mountain Mining, a brand new gold IPO, a junior gold miner that I believe is undervalued, underappreciated, underexposed, and just getting started. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Rich from Rich TV Live, and I'm out. We'll see you soon. Happy New Year, everybody. We'll see you on the other side of 2021. Have a nice day. And congratulations to all the winners on Gold Mountain Mining. Another big winner brought to you first by Rich TV Live. It's true. Maybe the last winner of 2020. And maybe the first winner of 2021. Stay tuned. I got more tricks up my sleeves. Get your popcorn ready. More winners are coming. 2021 is going to be a big year, guys. Get ready. Comment on this video. Let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys soon, and Happy New Year's.